Oklahoma Governor Commutes Tremane Wood's death sentenced to life without parole. On November 13, 2025, Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt announced that he would commute the death sentence of 46-year-old Tremane Wood to life imprisonment without the possibility of parole. The decision came after the State Pardon and Parole Board issued a rare recommendation to spare Wood's life, a move that broke with the governor's typical stance on capital punishment. Wood had been scheduled for lethal injection at the Oklahoma State Penitentiary in McAlester, but Stitt's statement explained that a thorough review of the case and careful consideration led him to accept the board's advice. Wood, who has consistently denied that he stabbed 19-year-old migrant farm worker Ronnie Whipp to death during a 2002 robbery, told the board via video link, "I'm not a monster. I'm not a killer." He insisted he never committed the murder. Stitt framed the clemency as a measure that mirrors the punishment his brother received for the same crime, emphasizing that it keeps a violent offender off the streets while still imposing a severe penalty. The governor, who is ineligible to run for a third term in 2026, has granted clemency only once before in his nearly 7-year tenure. Wood's attorneys argue that while he participated in the robbery, the actual stabbing was carried out by his brother, Tremane Wood, who later died in prison after confessing to the killing. The family of the victim, along with Robin Maher of the Death Penalty Information Center, praised Stitt's decision as courageous and correct, noting that Wood's execution would have been an injustice due to procedural flaws in his trial. This case marks the second clemency granted nationwide this year and the sixth in Oklahoma since 1972. Wood's legal team has also petitioned the U.S. Supreme Court to halt the execution, citing undisclosed plea agreement information. State prosecutors, however, maintain that Wood remains a dangerous inmate, citing ongoing gang involvement, drug trafficking, and contraband phone use inside the prison. Attorney General Tremane warned that Wood has continued to manipulate and harm others, even within maximum security confinement. During a recent testimony, Wood accepted responsibility for his misconduct and his role in the robbery, but reiterated his innocence regarding the murder, expressing remorse for the night's events. Wood's case was one of 3 executions slated for that week, alongside scheduled deaths in Florida and South Carolina. According to the Death Penalty Information Center, 41 people have been executed by court order in the United States this year, and at least 18 more, including Wood, are expected to face execution before the end of 2025 and into the next